Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, 6 Tejas MkII prototypes to meet aggressive schedule by AIDA. The AIDA has achieved a significant milestone in the development of the Tejas MkII as it received formal authority to commence work on the prototype. This comes after concluding the engine deal with GE Aerospace, a crucial step towards realizing the next generation fighter aircraft to the Indian Air Force. As per an aggressive schedule, HAL will be responsible for manufacturing 6 prototypes to meet the set timeline agreed upon by the IAF, AIDA and HAL. Next, AMCA MK2 will require minimal changes to accommodate 110K and engine, AIDA said. AIDA has confirmed that the AMCA MK1 fuselage has been meticulously optimized to accommodate GE Aerospace powerful 98K and F414 INS-6 engine, setting the stage for its advancement. Next, GTRE upgrades test cell for American F414 INS-6 engine. India's gas turbine research establishment has taken a significant step in advancing its capabilities by upgrading its test cell to accommodate American F414 INS-6 engines. This development comes as part of India's effort to indigenously manufacture and integrate these engines for the Tejas MkII and advanced medium combat aircraft Mk1 fighter jet programs, bolstering the Indian Air Force combat capabilities. Next, Daksha Unmanned System DUS secures major contracts for drone supply from Indian Army. Daksha Unmanned System, a prominent Indian drone manufacturer and a subsidiary of Coromandel International, has clinched significant contracts that underscore its growing role in India's drone ecosystem. The company has recently secured a contract worth rupees 165 crore, approximately $22 million, to provide 200 medium-altitude logistic drones, complete with accessories to the Indian Army. Next, Indian scientists encounter export hurdles for space experiment to China's Tiangong space station. Indian scientists are facing challenges in shipping a scientific instrument, the spectroscopic investigations of nebular gas, that is device, to China for use on the country's Tiangong space station. The team from the Indian Institute of Astrophysics in Bangalore applied for an export permit from the Indian Ministry of External Affairs nearly a year ago, but progress has been very slow. Next, Russia to launch first moon landers after 47 years, that is since 1976, in race with Indian spacecraft. Russia will launch its first lunar landing spacecraft in 47 years on Friday in a race with India to the south pole of the moon, a potential source of water to support a future human presence there. The launch from the Vostochny Cosmodrome, 3,450 miles east of Moscow, will take place 4 weeks after India sent up its Chandrayaan-3 lunar lander due to touchdown at the pole on August 23. Next, lowering Chandrayaan-3 from 100-kilometer orbit, very critical phase, says ISRO chief. India's third lunar mission, Chandrayaan-3, is in good health, and its most critical phase will be the orbit determination process, when the spacecraft starts moving closer to the moon from the 100-kilometer circular orbit. ISRO Chairman S. Somnath said on Monday. Launched on July 14 by the launch vehicle Mark III rocket, the Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft is now placed in a 170 kilometer Thank you.